Let's compare repairing the fluid section of the AirPro Auto to the Stellair Auto. Both guns have been removed from the manifold. The air cap retaining ring is removed from both, and that's where the similarities in disassembly end. The Stellair fluid section is removed and replaced in one piece from the front of the gun, while the AirPro Auto gun fluid packing has to be accessed from the back of the gun, and there are many small components. Since the AirPro Auto gun is still being disassembled, let's reassemble the Stellair Auto gun. In under 1 minute, the Stellair Auto repair is complete. This chart shows the advantage of the Stellair Auto gun with downtime being 10 minutes. This compared to 40 minutes for the AirPro Auto gun. Save time and increase productivity with Stellair Auto.